¿Qué onda, Gremlins? ¿Quieren? ¡Bubalú! Me vinieron dos. ¡Yay! What's up, Gremlins? What is up? So, I didn't upload any video game stuff, any gameplay on the gaming channel because I just didn't have any time in the world. I was really busy because I was editing the last short film I had to edit for today. If you guys want to go check out my Twitter account, I uploaded a couple of images about the horror movie I was editing, and it turned out pretty cool. It turned out pretty sweet, but you know, it took me forever and I didn't have time to edit and render and export the gaming stuff, so I apologize for that. But that means there will be 6 episodes for each series next week, so be sure to check it out. Maybe I'll upload 2 of them on Monday, or 3 on Tuesday, or 4 on Wednesday, and then on Thursday and Friday, I'm not sure. But there will be 6 episodes for each series. That would be Minecraft Adventures and Mario RPG for next week, so be sure to check it out. And as well as the Vlogity. The Vlogity will be up next week as well, although I don't know exactly what day, but it will be up. So, yeah, that's about it. That's about it. All I wanted to tell you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. A lot of you guys are actually subscribing to my gaming channel, and I love that. Thank you so much, guys. It means a lot to me. So yeah, guys, be sure to follow me on Twitter if you wanna have I don't know, check the daily updates about what's going on in my life, when the new videos will be up, blah blah blah. You can follow me on Twitter, or like on Facebook, or just watch the iPhone Vloggy. So thank you once again and have an amazing weekend. Be safe. I love you. Bye bye.